Way to find jobs in Perth. To get a job in Perth is really difficult. When you apply for the job without the proper reference, your CV or resume won't be reviewed. There are lots of websites which helps like Seek, Indeed, LinkedIn, Jura and so on. But it's really tough to get jobs from those websites. Students especially suffer a lot. But don't worry, I am here. I will show you the way. There are some outsourcing agencies which will help. They will provide something to start your journey. Number 1. HS Hospitality. It provides job related to housekeeping. You just need to register it online through their website or to remind them that you are available. After registration you can drop your CV. Number 2. Millennium Services Group. Here as well you can register online in their website. They can provide job related to cleaning. As far as I know, these are the best agencies to start. Do not forget to obtain your TFN, bank account, police report. It is required to start a job. Also do not forget to subscribe if you find it helpful.